Flower Festival has been celebrated for now 12 years on May the 10th, which is the birthday of former President Heydar Aliyev. The festival lasts for 5 days. On the first day, the roads leading to the central location of the festival are blocked. The cost of the festival surges with every passing year. More flowers are brought from abroad and more people are employed to do all the work. Last year, 116 tons of flowers were brought for the festival. By comparison, this year's figure is 250 tons. Officially announced cost of last year's festival was 25 million manat, while this year up to 70 million manat has reportedly been spent. Yesterday the festival came to an end, and 250 tons of costly flowers are awaiting the fate of being dumped to the waste yard. The recently built 51 million manat worth Central Park was also enthusiastically decorated for the festival. Some of the potted flowers placed in this park disappeared after the first night. Many greenhouse-grown plants and trees brought from abroad could not adapt to local climate and withered, and tonight they are going to be taken away from the park. Thus no trace of the hard work and large sums of money will be left here.